Thought whilst I'm on the tutorial run, I would show you how to duplicate an event and create a new one. So where I'm going to do one for Hawaii. So in this case, I'm going to presume that the Hawaii is a 70.3 Ironman. So I'm going to click on the duplicate. Okay, so I'm going to change the title. So obviously I'm not sure what the event's called, so I'm just going to put Hawaii Triathlon, and I'm going to click on this edit and go OK, so that automatically populates with the Hawaii Triathlon, as you can see. Now you know how to change all the copy in here. Now I don't want the category, I don't want it to sit under Queensland anymore, so I'm going to uncheck those and I'm going to create a new one because I have actually got Hawaii, I tell a lie. But if I wanted to create a new category, I would simply add that there, and you can say you wanted to put Gold Coast, for instance, and you wanted that under Queensland. Well, then you'd just go into Queensland and you'd click on Add Category. But as we're going to use Hawaii, I'm just going to click on the Hawaii just there. Now, depending on the one, I've created templates for each one. Now the templates actually have the paragraph underneath them. Now these are pages that I've created, and this determines the layout of this product. So we're going to keep it at Ironman 70.3, but obviously if it's challenge, you would change it to challenge. And the other thing that we need to do is make sure that the form that is being used, because obviously it references the various events, it references their headings and paragraphs, so you want to make sure that the relevant form is being used. And then you want to go down here and you want to make sure that the display description is checked, that you disabled the subtotal and you disable the options. Okay, and you said you didn't want sidebars, so make sure that the sidebars are disabled. And now obviously we want to get rid of the old product image, and we want to get rid of these ones and add the new ones. So now we click on set product image. I want to upload the files, so I go upload and I will select the files. So I need to go down to where I've saved them. And again, what I've done is made sure that you've got the alt text for each one. So as you can see, I've made sure that they have been named using the relevant keywords. I'm just going to go and put them all in the same. The alt text, it doesn't matter so much, but you do want to make sure that they can be optimized. We're going to delete the meta ones, my apologies. And that one's done. So I'm going to use that one because that's a beautiful striking image. I'm going to use that as the featured image, which is the image that you will see. So this main image here is the image that will come up on the shop page, the main image, and then we want to have the product gallery. So we're going to choose. Okay, once your product images have loaded, now you need to create all your attributes. So basically in here we want to go in and change this because it's obviously from the duplicated one that we did for Cairns. So we're going to change that to, so we've got the Kona crowd image, we've got the Hawaii sunset, the Hawaii volcano, and the create your own. Now notice I'm putting this little bar there. That's how WooCommerce notices that there are different variations. Okay, so once you've done that, simply press save, and you can at any time go in and edit any of these if you need to as well. And as you can see up here is where I've got the number of photos. I've pre-created that. Okay, so now you go down to variations, and obviously you can see that there's two in here that we need to remove because, or we'll just upload them with the Kona crown, and we'll press save changes. And then what we will need to do is we need to go to this add variation, but we're going to go create variations from all attributes, and we're going to click on go, and then we're going to press OK. This will come up to tell you how many variations have been added. Simply press OK. Okay, and now we want to make sure that the price is set for each of them. So what we're going to go back to the add variation and click on the little arrow, and we're going to scroll down to pricing and set regular prices. And also in this area here is you can set sale prices as well if you'd like to, but at the moment we're just going to set regular prices, and we're going to click on the go, and we're going to put 349. Okay, so that automatically populates the pricing for all of these images here. All of these variations here. Now we want to add an image to each one. So we want to add the volcano, the Hawaii volcano image that has 4 photographs on there. So we click on the number here and we click on this upload an image. Because they've already uploaded, we will simply go to the relevant image and set variation image. We will continue to do that for all of them. I've created a create your own, so we'll just go down there, add that one, Kona crowd. Okay. Also under the create your own image, you'll notice that I've got this, please upload your image, your photos below, because if they select there at create their own image, that will come up under the upload the image. So once you've done that, you have essentially created your new product. You just need to go to publish. If you right click on that, the permalink, you can open link in new tab. And as you can see, the image has now been created, and if you choose the number and you choose your background, as you can see, it changes to the relevant backgrounds based on the images that we've put in. Okay, and as you can see, this is what I meant by you've got to make sure that the single page template is correct, because it will have the relevant paragraph on there. And the same with the form, you've got to make sure that you have the right form so that the right headings display. I hope this helps. Thank you.